Have you ever wanted to grow your own herbs indoors? Welcome to the world of indoor herb gardening, a space-saving solution that offers fresh herbs all year round. It's not just practical, it's therapeutic too. Imagine having fresh herbs at your fingertips, no matter the season. First things first, choosing the right herbs. Consider indoor-friendly varieties like basil, parsley, chives, and mint. Tailor your selection to your cooking style and the plant's light and temperature needs. Remember, the right herbs make all the difference. Now, it's time to get those green thumbs to work. To plant your herbs indoors, you'll need well-draining soil. This ensures that water doesn't sit stagnant, which can cause root rot. The ideal container size depends on the herb, but generally, a pot that's 6 to 12 inches in diameter will suffice. Proper spacing is crucial for growth and airflow, so don't overcrowd your herbs. Lastly, place your plants near a sunny windowsill or consider using supplemental grow lights. With these steps, your indoor herb garden is off to a great start. But planting is just the beginning. Cultivating an indoor herb garden requires consistent care. These green gems need a balance of watering, fertilizing, and pruning. Be particularly cautious of overwatering, a common misstep made by enthusiastic gardeners. Unlike their outdoor counterparts, indoor herbs generally require less water. Fertilize regularly with organic compost or a balanced fertilizer, and prune to encourage lush growth. Remember, your herbs are not just plants. They're living, breathing entities that depend on you. With proper care, your herbs can thrive indoors. And the best part? Harvesting and using your herbs. When leaves are lush and vibrant, it's time to gather. Snip, don't pull, keeping plants robust. Fresh herbs elevate meals, sprinkled on top or stirred in. Nothing beats the taste of homegrown herbs in your favorite dishes. Growing herbs indoors isn't just practical, it's also incredibly rewarding. From choosing your favorite herbs, planting them, caring for your little garden, to the joy of harvesting, it's an enriching journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.